As you guys can see by the cover, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a doorbell in Minecraft. And you can make it where you want it to open the door, end of the doorbell, or only do the doorbell. So you've got to line it up, that button, with the turn box. That's my secret layer. Okay, and close the door. Every time you have a visitor. Can you hear that? Because I can. Turn it up. Okay, it's full. So, I'm also going to show you my place. That's my little chest. None of this stuff is important. This is my TV / computer. I forgot to replace the computer screen. Oh yeah, it's not even on. And that's all the food, just in case I go into survival. This is my room. I just like the new arrows they have. I don't know if that's new or not, but I just got this. So, if you want to change the ringtone, just hit. That should work. Yes. And this is testing chamber. Earlier I just did a villager versus zombie. I didn't really post it though. Bye!